our party, ODM, I want to tell our people, members of our party, those who are in our party who are, expressing divergent views about our partnership with William Ruto, that political parties are not anchored, or they are not built merely by rhetorics. You don't build a political party by simply rhetoricing and making noise. Political parties are built even using resources. So even if you are a member of ODM and you are holding a leadership position, you should tell us how much contribution you have made in other than rhetorics. Because some people who have all simply came recently and they are just, the only thing they do is to make noise. They seem to talk like they know they are holding ODM party like this. If you ask Oburu Oginga and Raila Amolo Odinga, they will tell you that they spent family resources to build ODM. They have forfeited their own happiness and investment that they should have used to support the Odinga family. They put that money in the ODM party. So if you just joined ODM yesterday and you think you know ODM so much that you can even begin to counter Oba by saying, I want to question you that you are treading on a very slippery path. And we don't fear anybody. ODM will never be brought down by one rhetoric. If ODM was to fall, ODM would be sorry because of exit of Ababu Namwamba. Ababu Namwamba knew that akienda ataenda na chama. He went in, Ababu is today history. Nobody even hears about Ababu Namwamba. Sasa hii Sifuna akienda, what will happen? Yeah, so you can, if you threaten us that you can leave ODM, you can leave. Jared Okello is here. Jared Okello has better English because Jared Okello went to school in England. He went to school in America. He can speak better English than even some of these people who are claiming to be speaking for the party. So the people speaking for the party, we can get anyone to speak for the party. But the fact is that the party is not built merely by rhetorics. There are huge investments which have been put in the party by Raila Amolo Odinga and the family. And these are things we cannot take for granted. When Baba speaks, we respond and we act accordingly because we know the sacrifices he has made and the investment he has put in the party.